What is up, guys? So due to me recently getting the Elgato HD60 S, I decided that I'd show you a video on how to set it up. How to put it to your Xbox, to your monitor, to your laptop, and then as well as showing you how to put your party chat to be included into your stream so that you're not just having a one-sided conversation for your viewers. Alright, so one of the most important parts before you even buy the HD60 S is that your laptop or computer must have a 3.0 USB. So if yours does not have that, the HD60 S will not be compatible with your computer. When setting up the HD60, I just have it above here because it's going to be a little tough if I show it back there, is I have in the, I believe this is the out, yeah, in the out port you have an HDMI that goes into your monitor directly, and then a separate HDMI that goes into the Elgato and then out into your Xbox. Then there's a separate USB-C that is connected to a USB 3.0 that you plug into your laptop, which down here I only have one port on my laptop, so I got a 3.0 adapter, which I can actually put into the description. I got off of Amazon. It's worked awesome so far. Alright, so once you have your HD60 set up, everything's plugged in to the monitor, to the Xbox, and to the laptop or computer. I know you cannot see this properly, but it's not totally a requirement to understand how to set this up. So I actually have Streamlabs OBS opened up, which is what I recommend for streaming. It's been awesome thus far. So when you're in here, you want to go to, there's a source bar right here. So there's a plus sign that you'll see that says add new source. It will bring you to this menu, welcome to the sources. And then you will go down to video capture device. When you add the video capture device, it gives you the ability to add in a built-in webcam, a Logitech webcam, capture cards, anything like that. So we obviously want the capture cards. You'll add the source, and then you add source again, and you choose, you'll find like the Elgato HD60 in the listings. Once that shows up, which I already have it done, you'll see when I use the Xbox controller, I have it right here, like it's registering from this onto my computer. That we have it all set up directly. And now, if you want to know how to switch on to the party chat so people can hear the people that you're playing with, is you want to go to your settings, you want to go to display and sound, to volume, click on the volume, and you want your party chat output to be set to headset and speakers so that the Elgato registers it as it would be coming through the speakers. Even because I only use the Turtle Beach Bluetooth headset, so people usually I hear everything through the headset only and no speakers used on my monitor. So guys, if you have any more questions, you can definitely feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll try to get to them. As well as you can actually check out my stream on Twitch. I play like games like Fallout New Vegas and Apex and random crap like that. So it's BRanks24. So if you ever want to have any questions, come through the chat. Anything that you need in particular on how to set up your stream, I'm also new with it, so I'm right here with you. But I hope this helped, and thank you for checking it out.